Here are 5 unique volcanoes geography facts. Mount Vesuvius, Italy, famously destroyed Pompeii in 79 AD and is still considered one of the most dangerous volcanoes. Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the largest active volcano by volume on Earth. Mount Fuji in Japan is a symbol of the country and last erupted in the early 18th century. Krakatoa in Indonesia erupted in 1883, causing one of the most catastrophic volcanic events in recorded history. Mount St. Helens, USA, erupted in 1980, creating the largest landslide ever recorded. Subscribe if you want to learn more.